Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by stopping wasted cycles. Open Task Manager and end every Chrome. EXE process so settings changes apply cleanly. Next, relaunch Chrome in incognito or with extensions disabled to isolate extensions as the cause. This narrows the problem quickly. Once done, open Settings right arrow system and toggle off hardware acceleration, because GPU rendering often causes a black window. Make sure to restart Chrome after each change, so the new rendering path loads properly and you can observe results. If simple fixes fail, create a new Chrome profile to rule out corrupted user data, because profiles carry extensions and settings that persist. Next, navigate to Chrome, //flags and reset all flags. Experimental features can break rendering unexpectedly, so return them to defaults and restart. Also check your GPU drivers. Update them via Device Manager or the vendor app, and if the problem started after an update, roll back the driver. When possible, test with integrated graphics to determine if the discrete GPU is at fault. For a final resolution, backup bookmarks and important data, then perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Chrome, delete the user data folder, and reinstall so corrupted files are rebuilt. As a quick workaround, run Chrome with command line flags like Disable GPU or Disable Software Asterizer to force software rendering. This lets you browse while you diagnose further. If you still see a black screen, open another browser to confirm whether the problem is Chrome-specific or a wider system/GPU issue. If it's system-wide, focus on OS updates and GPU fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.